today's adventure in Gracie's backyard actually starts in the front yard. I just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse of what Hurricane Helene looks like in North Carolina. I don't expect that Gracie is going to stay outside for very long. She seems very concerned about Chunk, the groundhog, who lives under the shed. She really, really wants to make sure he's okay. Either that or she's hiding under the shelter of the shed. But I wanted to let you guys listen to the eerie sounds of a hurricane in North Carolina. So I'm going to be quiet for the rest of the video.